Happy Saturday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. Okay, before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths. Follow me. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right. Go ahead and hashtag your mood. Let me know how you feel. My mood is proud. I'm a proud mommy today. I'm always proud. A couple reasons. I'm proud about something I'm doing actively as it relates to my son, and proud for him. He was featured. I just got word that he was featured in the local news, as there was a quick mini story done on the children playing for the organized baseball sports happening in the local community. So super excited that that's happening. And what I'm really excited for and proud of is that I'm learning that people who respect me, love me, care for me, value me, make adjustments for my time and schedule. And one of the things that was my biggest concern when I signed my son up for baseball was the practice schedule that happens during the week and the games that happens on Saturdays. And because currently my schedule is designed where I currently do work on the weekends, I'm off during the week, and that for me is by design. I'm okay with that until as I start to restructure my business, I will change my schedule, but it just means that I'll probably change it personally. My business itself will still continue to operate on those schedules. And we're looking to do something unique, which is offer a very unique niche service time. With that being said, yeah, I'm feeling proud because this is what personal development is about, is managing your life, your time, finding value in self. So welcome. If you're new to me, say hi, say hello, drop a comment down below. My name's Puerto. I'm an active licensed California real estate professional. I am a public educator and professional agent trainer, creator and founder of many cool things, including our feature show, Ready, Set, Real Estate, which Shift Your Thinking is a bonus series that is being featured here on this channel. And I've said this before, and if you're new and you may ask why we're doing personal development, is because real estate is just a physical manifestation of a thought that you are holding in your mind. And in order to get to that thought to manifest in the physical or material plane, you've got to be disciplined in your habits, your behaviors, your thought process when it comes to real estate. Real estate is a lot more involved. It's a revolutionary act. It's political. It's creative. It's about destiny. It's about legacy. There's a whole transmutation happening when you see real estate physically manifest in your life. And so this is why personal development is very important as part of that, because it's not just you buying a property or a home or your first home. It's more involved in that. And it is something that should not be taken lightly. And this is why Ready, Set, Real Estate, which is our educational platform, is mainly about educating, exposing you to the news, real estate terms and concepts and things that are happening. All right. Okay. Shout out to our radio podcast listeners. I want to say thank you to my family and my friends for supporting my wild idea. I love you, love you, love you. Without you, there is no me, and I want to honor you at all times, both publicly and privately. And okay, let's jump into it. Episode 179. I'm going to caption this episode. We're continuing our series from Dean Del Sesto, Shift Your Thinking, 200 Ways to Improve Our Lives. And I'm captioning this. This one's a good one. Strive to multiply. Strive to multiply. Or multiply or die. No, I like that one better. Multiply or die. Ooh, that one's better. Gives me a good kick. Multiply or die. I'm in the section where he says, if how you multiply divides, it will simply add to your subtraction. Go ahead and type in the comments, multiply. If how we grow reduces those around us, then it is we who are getting smaller. If you look at how things grow in nature, you'll see there are many things that have to become temporarily damaged or die off to make way for new growth. This is not the case with us humans. Things don't have to become a mess for a period of time, nor do our main physical components have to die for us to grow and develop. Truth is, the author says, we were born to grow, to multiply, and to expand beyond the borders of what we think is possible. Go ahead and type in the comments, expand. What we are not born to do is leave a trail of collateral damage. Do you hear that? We are not born to leave collateral damage and dead relationships behind as we grow. A common occurrence for serial entrepreneurs, those feverishly climbing the corporate ladder, or those who are bent on living their passions to the fullest. For us to grow, we require people to be in the mix with us, and how we treat those people will impact our overall fulfillment, not just the accomplishment of what is at hand. If co-workers, partners, alliances, and friends in your life are nothing more than a means to your end, it will, listen to this, it will divide and subtract in the long run. This is so synchronistic because I was having a late night discussion with one of my clients, and she had some very endearing things to say that just really reinvigorates me and gives me life. And you guys will learn that there's some people that really solely earn a profit in this business and can give two it's about you. Serious. And the more I see that, the more I get involved, the more I see things in this business, the more I'm vocal, the more I'm going to say certain things and call things out. All right, let's wrap this up. He says, work-life balance, you've heard the phrase before, and perhaps you're thinking it will slow growth, and it does, by a small percentage, but not nearly as much as being fired, having a heart attack, getting divorced, or mending broken relationships. So with that, let's think about ways that we can add to. You don't have to do this others. You don't have to even think of it from a broad perspective, like a massive amounts of people, mass people. One other person, and that other person can be someone very close to you. Your children, your parents, your spouse, your partner, a friend, a coworker, your employer. You choose one person, identify one person that you can add into. And through adding into them, you multiply yourself. This is how you create immortality. All right, that's my time. I love you, love you, love you. Have a powerful and productive day. I'll see you tomorrow as we continue our series of Shift Your Thinking. Bye.